Hey everyone, are your mornings always a rush? Today I am showing you my absolute go-to recipe for the perfect golden brown bread toast. It takes less than 5 minutes, requires just a few basic ingredients, but guarantees that satisfying buttery crunch every single time. Let's get cooking. So we have to take a lot of onions and tomatoes. Basically, let's keep it in the ratio of 1:1 or 1:2. The onion will be on the higher side, and the green chili and coriander. So fine chop the onion, tomato, and green chili and coriander. Let's keep a pan and then add some, say, 4 or 5 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon of mustard, and then green chili. Let's fry it. So just observe the way how the green chilies are dancing. Along with that, let's add some curry leaves. Look at the dancing and hear the sounds, musical, natural. Now for that, let's start adding the onion, and then let's start frying it. Stir it nicely so that oil gets quenched in the oil, and let's add some salt for the taste, as per your taste. The oil should be fried just before the golden brown. Let it not make it fully golden brown. And then let's add the finely chopped tomatoes, and let's stir it again, and let's leave it for a couple of minutes for cooking. So as I said, it takes less than 5 minutes. So what I meant is we have to finish it in 5 minutes, or rather finishing it, it will finish it in. That's provided we have all the ingredients ready at place. Now let's add some turmeric powder and chili powder. Here you can add chili powder more also if you require spicy. And then let's top it with coriander leaves. And then again stir it for a while, and let's leave it for a couple of minutes, say around a minute, and then let's keep that aside. Yeah, you can see that it has been turned into yellowish, reddish, and juicy. Now let's keep the tawa. Do the magic of zoom zoom zoom, just like the chef did it, to heat the pan or tawa faster. Add some oil on top of it, or you can add butter also if required. If you love it more of a butter with bread, otherwise the oil should do. So with one slice of bread, just sandwich it with the uh, toast masala, whatever we prepared it, just sandwich with, and then roast it on the pan or tawa till it gets turned to light golden brown. So here the trick or the magic here is, now probably you could have tasted the toast in a bakery and the one which you are preparing it here. There will be a bit of a variation in the taste. So the one thing is, yeah, it is sandwiched with the two bread, and the other in the bakery it is in a single slice on top of that. The veggies has been added. So if you want to get the same taste what you get it in the bakery, right? So after you do this toasting, you have to just keep the bread or this sandwich for a couple of minutes, say for 20 minutes. So at one go, you're preparing two types of toast. One is in a crunchy when it is in a fresh, and one is juicy when you are eating it after 20 minutes. So hope you all like the recipe. If you have liked it, subscribe it, share it, like it, and comment it. Thank you for watching. See you.